Hey guys, so we're doing another unboxing of this, and yeah, so let's get into it. I was just on Snapchat, so I'm not really in the mood to do it, but still doing it because, like, unboxing is fun. So I've got myself a pocket knife. No, that's not gonna work. I'm just gonna damage the box, so I'm just gonna go from here. This is the Gentech TW2. It's a wireless AirPods, and yeah, that's basically it about it. They're Bluetooth, by the way, so yep. Alright, just to be cool, I'm just gonna cut this the whole way so that it's satisfying. Not to be cool. What? Oh, I was doing it the wrong way. I'm trying not to speak that much so that I can turn this into an ASMR. Wrapping. Bye-bye. I don't need this, so I'm just gonna put that there. And here it says, congratulations on your new Gentech wireless AirPods. Okay. Made in the Big Apple. Oh, there are the AirPods. This is the case. That works. That's good. So these are like white wireless earphones, and yeah. My voice sounds really weird. I'm sick, by the way, so that's why. Okay. Let's put these in. Yep. So I'm gonna test these out. What should come up? If I want to pair this, what will come out? Alright, TW2, so it's the same thing as the last one. Alright, so let's go to, so if you open your iPhone, go to settings, go to Bluetooth, then you look for TW2. Never mind, let me just, I need to take these out first. Okay, so I'm trying to forget this device, because that was the other one. Alright, so hopefully this works. Let's try it out. Okay, let me just get this to turn back on because it turned off. There we go. Okay, now, wait, what? Why was I? Okay, let's connect. Oh, it's already connected, okay. Okay, now we're gonna go to photos, and I have like these offline music stuff, so I'm just gonna listen to this. Oh, this side is still pairing? What the hell? That's weird, wait. Do I need to connect it like individually or something? That's weird. Okay, wait, I think, let me just try this again. This is confusing. Okay. See if it'll connect. Okay. Yep, that works. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.